Labour Party's LP presidential candidate for 2023, Peter Obi, has expressed his support for the EndBadGovernance Nationwide Protest scheduled for August 1, 2024. Speaking in Abia State on Sunday, Peter Obi emphasized that the Nigerian Constitution permits protests as a right of the citizens. However, he warned that demonstrations must be conducted within the confines of the law to avoid violence. Mr. Peter Obi said, "In the Nigerian Constitution, protest is allowed," Obi stated during a courtesy visit to Abia State Governor, Otti, at his country home in Nvosi, Isialangwa South local government area. "All I plea for those who are protesting is to do so within the law and in a civil manner that allows us as a nation to show that we live within the law." Obi attributed the upcoming protest to widespread hunger and hopelessness among the youth, urging Nigerian authorities to engage with and listen to the protesters. "We all have to listen to what Nigerians are going through, and I thank our governor, Otti, for doing so. It is important," he said.